As you saw in the main technique video, Punctuated Lecture is a great way to help students monitor their attention and stay focused on learning during a lecture. Here's how you can implement Punctuated Lecture in your online course. Decide in advance exactly what you want to know when you pause your lecture at the set intervals. For example, you might ask students, "What were you doing when the lecture paused?" Further prompts are available in our free downloads for this technique. Consider the manner in which students will submit their responses. For example, in a quiz, assignment, or through a chat pane. Next, determine at what time intervals you will pause your lecture, such as every 7 to 10 minutes. If you are teaching an asynchronous class with recorded video lectures, stop at the predetermined points and ask students to pause the video and respond to your prompt. For a synchronous lecture, simply pause at your set points and ask students to record their response to your prompt. Consider having students respond by sending a chat message to only you, rather than the whole class. You can then use their responses as the basis for a humorous observation on our current tendency to multitask and offer comments about the importance of giving full attention to the lecture. Resume your lecture and repeat as appropriate. At the Patricia Academy, we encourage you to try Punctuated Lecture in your online class. Download our free step-by-step instructions to get started.